and welcome to the APsolute Recap Biology Edition, where we aim to maximize your understanding and minimize your need for memorization. Each episode will recap content, skills, and test-taking tips to help you succeed in May. I'm your host, Melanie Kingett, and your recap starts now. Hi, and welcome to the APsolute Recap Biology Edition. Today's episode will recap a very exciting announcement. Let's zoom out. You've been preparing for weeks, and you know your AP Bio concepts and skills inside and out, but you're wondering, will that translate into a 5 on the exam? How will you know if you've prepared enough? Now there's a way to answer those questions before May. I have written a full-length AP-style practice exam that you can take right now. 60 multiple choice and 6 FRQs. So what are you waiting for? Let's zoom in. If you've taken any other AP exams, you definitely recognize these names and resources. Jacob Clifford, Heimler's History, the Mr. Sin Channel, Apes Everybody, Professor Dave Explains, Krista King Math, The Garden of English, and Flipping Physics. Now, what do all of these have in common with the APsolute Recap? We have all created an ultimate review packet for you to prepare for the AP exams in May. That's right. Click the link in the episode description to access the AP Biology practice exam right now. What makes it AP style exactly? Well, all of the questions are formatted to test the exact skills as the AP exam in the same format. All of the questions are conceptual and require analysis using content from the course as a base. They do not ask for regurgitation of facts. This means that the multiple choice questions will have prompts, diagrams, tables, and graphs to interpret. And some of the multiple choice will be long format, which have several questions about the same background information and charts, just like the exam. But better than the exam, the multiple choice are digitized and self-grading, which is extra nice. The FRQ questions for the AP exams are very standardized in topic. So, for example, FRQ number 2 is interpreting and evaluating experimental results with graphing, while number 3 is scientific investigation. My practice exam will have the same sequence. And don't worry, I've also used all of your favorite task verbs. Describe, predict, justify, determine, identify, yada, yada, yada. You get the idea. It's good practice. But you should know that getting a copy of the AP Biology practice exam is access to more than just a test. You'll also get PDF downloads, scoring guides, and exclusive video tips. That's right, I've wandered out of the podcast booth and found myself in front of the camera. That means even more resources to help you maximize your understanding and minimize the need for memorization. Check out our YouTube channel to see the latest AP Bio recap video. To recap, Melanie Kingett, that's me, from the APsolute Recap has joined the Ultimate Review Packet for AP Biology. Click the link in the episode description right now to get your copy of the full-length AP Biology practice exam, and good luck in May. Today's question of the day is about the AP scale. True or false? The AP exams are curved. For the answer to today's and future questions, please follow us on Instagram at the APsolute Recap. That's the APsolute Recap. If you are a student with questions or a teacher with suggestions, we'd love to hear from you. If you have a biology topic or another AP subject you would like us to cover on the APsolute Recap, please email us at the APsoluteRecap@gmail.com. That's the APsolute Recap@gmail.com. The APsolute Recap is produced by Brad Kingett with music by Zach Caruso. Please remember to rate, review, and subscribe wherever you get podcasts. Time's up, pencils down. Thank you for listening to the APsolute Recap Biology Edition. AP is a registered trademark of the College Board. Copyright 2020 APsolute Recap LLC, all rights reserved.